I'm done with insecure because it's a final paper. Guys, I feel like a freaking zombie, but I need to sleep. I have a paper due tomorrow and discussion session, but I need to sleep right now. It's 9 p.m. I'm planning to wake up at 3 a.m. and do everything because right now I have no energy to do anything. Morning, guys. I woke up at 3. I bet rotted. No, I woke up at 4:20ish, and it's 5 now. Am I okay? No. I need water.
What the dog doing?
Guys, it's like 7 a.m. and I still have a lot. I'm so behind. I don't know what to do. You know what? Let's do this. We don't have time to think about what to do. Let's log in. Guys, I'm done with like my assignment for 2 courses. I have 1 more course left, which is gonna take my life. I hate this course. This is the worst course ever to exist. Everyone hates it. There's no way there's someone who likes this course. Shiva. My head hurts.
Insert your card properly.
Write a review here, right? We don't add a word file or whatever.
Please help yourself. If you don't have any questions.
To write in beautiful language a lot, but sometimes that doesn't really work for academic. That is pretty much all for today. Like for the
I have a Zoom meeting right now. With Zoom meeting, we're going to be reviewing my paper because I feel like I'm a bad writer. I'm just a like STEM girly and I haven't really taken a lot of humanities class. But in YONSEI, they want you to like be well-rounded at everything. So we do take writing classes, and I've taken like 2 in my freshman and I was so bad at it. I got a bad grade, but this one I really like it and I want to be able to do well in this class, and I really enjoyed the class. All the movies that we watched and all the books that I've read, and I really liked it. I heard people tell that I'm good at it because I was always insecure about the way I write, and like me in arts especially, and also like the way I speak or like writing poems or like essays and stuff like that. So yeah, I've been getting good feedback and I think I can do well on finals. I did good on midterm and we had like a final research presentation and I got a really good grade for that. Like literally, it's almost close to a full grade. I was super nervous for that. I did not sleep the entire night, but a really good grade for that. And right now I'm just waiting for my tutor so that we can work on our essay together. Guess what? I had to get another Red Bull. I didn't know if this was the Zoom meeting that I was supposed to be using and everything, and I also got feedback from the professor, but I'm still a little insecure because it's a final paper. Or are you familiar with what it is? I'm done with my paper. I'm just trying to make sure there's no grammar errors or like I'm following the MLA format for the essay, which is a bit annoying, but gotta do that to maintain points. Guys, now we're studying for detox, the next course. Ignore my bed, ignore my room, ignore how I look. I don't think I'm okay. We're gonna have another energy drink today.
What the dog doing?